YouTube, welcome back. Today we are making homemade fried chicken, and probably one of my favorite things to eat outside of pizza. And today, as you can see, I have my helper again. Can you say hi?
Hi.
All right, let's check out this awesome recipe. So the first step we want to do for our fried chicken is we want to brine the chicken. You do not have to do this. I almost always brine my chicken. It'll make the chicken juicy. This brine recipe we're using is really simple. It's 1 cup of water to 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. So the reason I like this so much is because it's simple, there's not a lot of ingredients, and it's really easy to scale up. So for our recipe today, we're using 3 cups of water, 3 tablespoons of salt, and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. So Ella, do you want to go ahead and add the salt and the brown sugar, and we will stir that up, and then we will go ahead and put in our chicken. As you can see, today we're just making chicken legs. You could of course do chicken breast. You could take a whole chicken, cut it up into 8 pieces, do the wings, the thighs, the breast, and the legs. Today we're just going to do the legs. This recipe would work on any. You could buy small chicken tenderloins and make chicken fingers if you'd want, but today we're just doing the legs. So our chicken has been brining for a while. I've taken it out of the brine, patted it dry, and now we're going to dip it. So as you can see, I got 3 bowls here. The first one is flour, second one is buttermilk, and the third one is a flour. So this flour mixture is flour, onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne, paprika, salt and pepper. And I will leave the recipe down in the description so you know how many parts of each I put in here. So we'll go ahead and dip all these, we'll place them on the plate, and then we'll get ready to put them in the oil. Alright, so we'll let that set for just a little bit, and then we'll put them in the fryer. So our oil is now hot enough so we're ready to drop our chicken. Trying to get the oil to about 330 degrees. And it should look about like that when you put it in there. So we're going to fry this chicken for about 15 minutes. And then we'll check the temperature with our instant read and see how close we are. Took the chicken out. We're cooking to an internal temperature of around 165 degrees until it's golden brown. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.